Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will go through how to fix Google Play Store not working, so that it's something crashing, freezing, or is stuck pending downloads and so on. Yeah, what we are going to do is we will open for the first we will open settings app, so device settings app. So we go just like that. Then I will search for settings just like that, and then we will navigate to the apps right here. Okay, and then we go to all the apps, see all apps. Now scroll down and select Google Play Store. So we can also search here. If you click on this icon at the top right corner, we can search Google Play Store just like that. And now tap storage and cache, and now we can clear cache. uh, and yeah, when we do that, reopen the Play Store and attempt your download again. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.